Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got this Epson scanner. It's the fastest scanner in the world apparently. It has wireless connection, high-speed USB cable. You can scan both sides actually, so both sides of the photos can be scanned. This thing scans up to 1,200 pixels per inches, and you could also do 600, but I think 600 is enough. 1,200 is overkill, of course. It takes a little bit longer. I want to give it a try right now, but you can easily scan and store all your photos. So I'm really excited to open this up as I got a lot of photos in my album. What I'm planning to do is to use AI to change these images, like bring them to life. All these old images from myself, from my parents, grandparents, just bring them to life. And the best way to do this is to use a very high resolution scanner that's quick and fast and easy. And this thing claims up to 1 photo per second to scan. All right, so let's open up the Epson FastFoto scanner and let's get right into it. Adapters, cable, USB cable, plastic folder to put photos inside. The user manual. Oh, this thing is nice and small. It's about 1 foot wide and about 6.5 inches deep and around 6.5 inches tall. It's like miniature compared to regular scanners and copiers. It's a very miniature size. So this is where all the action happens. I guess you put your photos in here, or the scanners on both sides right here. You can see on this side and that side. Let's give it a try and see how it works. So yeah, you can go on the website, epson.ca or .com support page. You can download the Epson series FF-680W, which stands for wireless. If you have the wireless version, and if you go to Windows 11, download this right here. If there's any more drivers needed for your Windows, you can download those as well. I have a USB set up, so I'm gonna hit USB. Generally I like USB connection better than wireless. It's asking a place to download it. So as you can see, if this is an original with red eyes, it'll remove red eye and restore faded colors and give you this, which is actually amazing. So, but the thing is, you don't you wanna keep the original as well as the enhanced one. So all you gotta do is to keep a second copy of the photo, which is recommended. We'll hit next. All right, ready to scan. Let's try this. We got a photo over here, a family photo. I'm gonna scan it, start scanning. It's asking to put a year, month, date, subject, and everything else, but I just wanna keep it without any info. I'm just gonna hit start scanning. There we go. And bam, the photo is right here. This is the original photo. This is the enhanced photo. The enhanced photo is a lot better. And there is an option here to hit all, original, and enhance. So it'll show you the enhance as well. That was really quick and fast. Can't believe it. All right guys, so I got this photo. It's sort of like cardstock. It's a thicker paper photo. And on the website of Epson, it says you can only scan up to 0.3 millimeters. I have my digital measurement device, and I think this is gonna be more than 0.3. This is exactly 1 millimeter. So it might not work, we'll see. But I know some of you guys have these old photos where it's on the back of an album and you just rip it off the album. And I'm just letting you guys know I'm gonna test it for you and see if it works or not. So once I scanned the photo, it gave me an error code and it's blinking right here. I think the photo's too thick. It's thinking that there's many photos getting bashed together, but it's not. I'm gonna give it a try one more time. Okay, I eventually removed the back of the photos, the cardstock that was thick. I basically succeeded in scanning them all. So make sure you remove this. And if you can't, then just gotta have to use another program like camera scanner or something like that. Camera scanner is actually good, but you gotta get the paid version to get the high quality. So yeah, I removed this back and it all worked really well. Amazing printer. I definitely recommend it to anyone who wants to scan their photos. It's fast, reliable, quality is amazing, and it enhances the photo beyond my expectation actually. I'm absolutely blown away by the resolution of this printer, by the way it works, by how fast it is. So if you guys have any questions, please drop them in the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.